Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul from the VeganKind Supermarket. This is literally like Christmas. For sure I didn't order this. And just some... Sorry. So I ordered this on Friday and it just showed up today. It's Tuesday. They like text you a time slot and the guy just left it outside my house, so it's completely contact free. So my house is basically completely isolating, and we do have one friend that does our shopping, but he's not super like au fait with vegan products, so I fancied some vegan treats. And it's quite a big haul because I got some bits for my housemates as well. They're like non-vegans, but they like the vegan treats too. So it came in this super cute box. There's an ice pack bit for the chilled stuff as well, so it keeps it separate. Go straight in with hippies. I got 4 packs of the cheesy ones and 1 pack of the herbs, but 2 of them are for my housemates. And just some more crisps. I got some quinoa puffs, also in the white cheddar flavour. Some venison and cranberry crisps. Some pop lotus seeds. I've seen carrots and cashews on Instagram always talking about pop lotus seeds, so I wanted to try them. I totally didn't order this. Vegan pain au chocolat. Maybe it's like a bonus gift. For sure I didn't order this. Yeah, no, I don't think I did, but I wanted to try them anyway, so I'm happy. They didn't have many cleaning products left because I guess the apocalypse. So I'm astonished they only had the shower shine or the mold and mildew, so I got some shower shine for our shower. More crisps. You could tell I was really craving crisps when I placed this order. Pita chips in chili and garlic by Soufflés. They look really good. This is literally like Christmas. Okay, what's this? Oh, a pasta sauce, porcini mushroom sauce. Creamy, delicious. And this is like my secret ingredient for my ramen. I really rate it. It's vegetarian fish sauce. It's basically just soy sauce with seaweed extract, but I don't know, it takes it to another level. So I got 3 of these. One's for me, 2 is for other people in my house. Big Vigo bars, love them. Obviously, I got a couple of the Nomo bars. One's caramel and sea salt and one's just the original. Some crunchy wasabi peas and some roasted broad beans in sour cream and chive. Got some peanut butter cups from Love Raw. I've never tried this one, but I love the other rhythm bars. This is the chocolate orange rhythm 108 bar. Delicious. And since Easter is coming up, I bought myself a very overpriced but cute cream egg, which was like £2. So that's all the dry stuff. Now it's the fridge stuff. It has like full-on ice packs to keep everything cold. So first up, I got some this chicken and this bacon. I love this company. Got some pepper jack slices from Follow Your Heart. Got some Cheatin beef style slices. And I've wanted to try these forever, but they're like really expensive, but I wanted to treat myself. I finally got a One Planet pizza. I got the Hawaiian. It's my favorite flavor of pizza. Next up, I got I'm gonna leave in all your little like
delish
additions.
Yummy.
So I bought these for the 2 people off camera. So I bought 3 blocks of the Greek style Violife, 1 for me and 1 for each of my housemates. Oh no, I ordered 4 packs of that cheese. I really fancied some yogurts, so I've never tried these before, but I'm excited to try it. I got some cocoa, the strawberry and the peach flavour. I got some Vegenaise. They didn't have any Hellmann's, but Vegenaise is also good. So a packet of tofu. I don't know why I didn't get more. It was only like $1.80, but I got some of the tofurkey ham slices. I've never tried these either. And finally, I'm really excited for this. I love the Follow Your Heart dressings. I've never tried this one. It's the vegan honey mustard dressing by Follow Your Heart. So yeah, the shipping was free because I spent more than £60. My total was £91.44, but like 20 to 30 of that was for other people. So I found they like open their store every night for like a few hours, so follow their Instagram if you are interested in placing an order. I'm obviously not affiliated with them in any way, but they were a bit of a lifesaver for us this week. So I logged on at like 10 and it was open between 10 and 12, and if by 12 you haven't paid for your order, they just kick you off the website, so try and be quick. But if you do get kicked off, when I logged back on the next night, because the first night I did get kicked off, everything was sitting in my basket and the stock literally changed day by day. So the first day I logged on, I put so many crisps in my basket because there wasn't much else. And then when I logged on again, there was loads more, but I just didn't take any of the crisps out, so it's fine. I got a lot of snacks, but if there's not something there, just keep checking back. You can kind of build your order over a few days and then finally place it. It's not 10 p.m. every night though. I know I saw last night it was between 7 and 9, so just check their Instagram. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.